Hello students, today I am going to start your new chapter number 8, that is height and distance. Students, in this chapter firstly you have to know that what is angle of elevation and what is angle of depression. So firstly, angle of elevation. This is the diagram of angle of elevation. If a person is looking up at an object, the acute angle measured from the horizontal line, this line is horizontal line, okay, and when the object is upside of the eye, then when angle formed with the horizontal line, that is called angle of elevation. Now angle of depression, the angle between the line of sight, this is line of sight and this is horizontal line, through the eye of an observer when the object being viewed is below the horizontal line. This is horizontal line and this object is below this horizontal line. Then the angle formed between horizontal line and line of sight is called angle of depression. Okay students, angle of elevation and angle of depression. Now we will do some questions of our exercise. So our question number 1 is, the shadow of a vertical pole is equal to its height, then angle of elevation of sun is. This is a vertical pole AB and its shadow, this is its shadow BC. Height of vertical pole is equals to its shadow, okay, and we have to find this angle of elevation of sun. Now students, if this is theta, then this is base. Adjacent side with theta is called base and this is perpendicular. Base and perpendicular. So relation between base and perpendicular is given by tan theta, and tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base, okay, and tan theta is equals to AB upon BC, and it is given that shadow of a vertical pole is equal to its height, means if this is x, then this is also x. So tan theta is equals to x upon x, and that is equals to 1. So tan theta is equals to 1 and tan theta is equals to tan 45 degree, because value of tan 45 degree is also 1. So this is equals to tan 45 degree. So tan theta is equals to tan 45 degree. It means theta is equals to 45 degree. It means the angle of elevation of sun is of 45 degree. Okay students. Now question number 6. The vertices of two poles whose heights are 20 meter and 40 meter. These are two poles AB and CD. Height of AB is 20 meter and height of CD is 14 meter. And their vertices A and C. Okay. The vertices of two poles are tied with a wire. This is a wire AC. If wire makes an angle of 30 degree with the horizontal line, this wire makes an angle of 30 degree with this horizontal line, okay, then length of wire, then we have to find the value of AC, okay. This is a pole of 20 meter and this is a pole of 14 meter and the vertices are tied up with a wire AC, and this wire makes an angle of 30 degree with this horizontal line EC, okay. We have to find value of AC. Since if this pole CD is equals to 14 meter and this whole pole, length of this whole pole is 20 meter, then EB equals to 14 meter and this A equals to 20 minus 14 equals to 6 meter. Now perpendicular is 6 meter and we have to find value of hypotenuse, because this angle is of 90 degree, so side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Perpendicular is given and we have to find value of hypotenuse, and relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse is given by sin theta. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse and theta is given 30 degree. It means sin theta is equals to 6 upon x. Value of sin 30 is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equals to 6 upon x. So x is equals to 12 meter. So length of this wire is of 12 meter. Okay students. Now question number 10. The slope of a hill makes 60 degree with the horizontal line. This is a hill. AB is a hill and this is slope of this hill. The slope of a hill makes 60 degree with the horizontal line. This is slope, and this slope makes an angle of 60 degree with this horizontal line. This line is horizontal line and this is slope, and angle between horizontal line and slope is 60 degree. If 50 meter one has to move to reach at the top, and this distance is given 500 meter. Okay, then height of the hill is, then we have to find height of this hill. This is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, and relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse is given by sin theta. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and theta is 60 degree. It means sin 60 degree equals to x upon 500. Sin 60 degree is equals to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is equals to x upon 500. So x is equals to 500 into root 3 upon 2, and that is equals to 250 into root 3 meter. So this is height of this hill. Okay students, height of, we have to find value of height of hill, and this slope, length of this slope is given 500 meter. So this is our perpendicular and this is our hypotenuse, and relation between perpendicular and hypotenuse is given by sin theta. Now question number 15. This is given that the angle of elevation of the top of a pillar from a point in a plane is 15 meter. This is a pillar A, B, and angle of elevation of the top of a pillar from a point in a plane is 15 degree. Okay, this angle of elevation is given 15 degree, and moving 100 meter towards the pillar. When we move 100 meter towards the pillar, then angle of elevation become 30 degree. Then find the height of the pillar, and 10-15 degree is given 2 minus root 3. This is given in the question. Then that value of 10-15 degree is this. Okay students, A, B, C, D, these are 4 points, and CD is given 100 meter, because this is given that when we moving 100 meter towards the pillar, then angle of elevation will become 30 degree, and let BC is equals to x meter, then this BD equals to x plus 100 meter. Okay, and we have to find value of AB. Firstly, in triangle ABC, this is perpendicular and this is base, and relation between perpendicular and base is given by tan theta. Tan theta is equals to 30 degree. So tan 30 degree equals to hypotenuse upon base, and base is height upon base, and base is given x meter. So height upon x, and value of tan 30 degree is of 1 upon root 3. This is equals to h upon x. This is x and this is h. So x is equals to h into root 3 by cross multiplying. X is equals to h into root 3. This is our equation number 1. Now in triangle A, B and D. In this triangle ABD, angle of elevation is of 15 degree. So tan 15 degree is equals to h upon x plus 100, because base is BD and BD equals to x plus 100. So tan 15 degree is equals to h upon x plus 100, and value of tan 15 degree is given 2 minus root 3 equals to h upon x plus 100. Now by cross multiplying, 2 minus root 3 is multiplied by 100 plus x plus 100, that is equals to h. And when we solve it, we get our answer h is equals to 100 upon 2, and that is equals to 50 meter. Okay students, when we multiply 2 minus root 3 by h into root 3 plus 100, then we get 2 into root 3 into h minus 3h plus 200 minus 100 into 3 equals to h. So when we do transposition of terms of h, then h plus 3h minus 2 root 3h equals to 200 minus 100 into root 3. So h plus 3h equals to 4h minus 2 into root 3h, and when we take 100 as common, then we get 100 into 2 minus root 3, and in this side we will take common 2h, then we get 2 minus root 3. So h is equals to 100 into 2 minus root 3 upon 2 into 2 minus root 3, and that is equals to 100 upon 2, and that is equals to 50 meter. So height of pillar is 50 meter. Okay students.